Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Back, new day with the Westsde 85. So you can see it's back in the garage, of course. But he had some trouble. So you can see in the riding video, bike's still bogging. Seemed like the first day I rode it, it was ripping. Second day, not so much. And had to adjust the throttle. It wasn't snappy like that. I had the tension all messed up, so I had to handle that. I adjusted the clutch lever. It just needed to be a little more tighter because the pull wasn't good enough, really. Popped the clutch, trying to practice wheelies and shit, you know. And just switching gears, but the problem I'm having is there's something weird going on. With this, it don't want to shift past third gear when I was riding it. Like sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. But if I like move it right here and move the, you know, spin the tire, it's gonna go up to 6th gear. But when I'm riding it, it be acting iffy. So I don't know what that's about. Banshee Doc, guy who worked on my bike, he said it was happening to him when he was test riding it. It wasn't happening to me before. I don't know. It's just something new. Hopefully, it ain't nothing serious. Hopefully, maybe it's just this might be loose or something. You see that it is kind of got a lot of play on it. Maybe, I don't know. We gonna see. Hopefully, but let's open this package we got for this bike. JT sprocket. Says say 13 too. 13. The stock ratio on here is 14:47. I think I'm gonna try 13:47, and then I'm gonna try like 13:49 or 13:50. If this, really just trying to get some torque, really get the wheel up easier. Help me learn faster, maybe. We'll see. More parts for the Westsde 85. What we got? Pro taper, sport. What's this? Aha, we got us a lever, a clutch lever. It's the cheaper version. They got one that's like $60, and this one I paid $28. So I think this one will be good enough for the Westsde. For the 85, it seems pretty good. Yeah, it's good quality. It's Pro Tape, I trust them. Yeah. It ain't breakaway or nothing special, but it is got the easy adjust. I like that. Let's get it on there. See how it turn out. Just went and got some plugs real quick. Bought a pair online to go pick up in the store. And they end up being the BR9ESs. I was trying to go for a hotter plug this time, the BR80ES. See how they run. Don't know why I keep losing focus. So we're gonna see how them BR80S, the hotter plugs run. Gapped at 0.23, like, you know, the regular OEM spec. We gonna see. It's just so long and like big. What the? It's oversized ass. Compared to the old ones. Look. Oversized. Damn, pro table this big as hell. New plug in there, the BR8ES, in there nice and snug. Gonna fire it up. Let's do it. Get it. First start with the new plug and new clutch lever. I didn't put in a new sprocket yet, just cause I ain't have a big enough socket to take it off, so I gotta go get one. But that spark plug was pretty nasty. I think that was my problem. Where is it at? No, that's the original. This is the one I just took out. Let's go back over here. So you can see it's fouled. It looks foul, it's black. But it's okay. Let's get it started.